Okay, so who is this for? Who is the rose meditation for? There are kind of two levels to this, I would say. There's more of a beginner level, and for the beginners, these are the people who are really awakening to energetics, to their own being, to their own gifts, to their sensitivities, to their emotional bodies, to their traumas even, to who are really coming into more awareness that there's something more, that there's something more just to this physical body or this physical reality. And maybe they've already had some experiences with that have kind of shown them, wait a second, there's something else here. There's something behind this form, right? And I would say for those beginners, this was my tool as a beginner of really starting to create the foundation I needed to get to a more advanced place within my own energetics and my exchanges. So for beginners, it's really anyone who is more curious about themselves, who really wants to create the space and the commitment and the practice to be with themselves more, to have more tools to work with their emotions, to work with their relationships, to, if they're in some kind of little Mia's, to have more tools to work with just inside themselves and come into more self-knowledge, into more empowerment, into more practice with, the kind of discipline and the hygiene of having a healthy energetic body as well as a healthy physical body. So that's what I'd say for the beginners. For the more advanced students for the rose meditation, I feel this is really a powerful technique for anyone who is holding space, anyone who's a therapist, a coach, a healer, a leader, in any kind of exchange where they are holding a field of energy for other people to, come into their empowerment, to heal themselves, to, have like experiences of, higher dimensional experiences of consciousness, inner travel explorations. Anyone who's holding space, this is a very powerful technique for you specifically. And you will still first receive, let's say, the benefits of it personally, because that's where you're going to begin. You're going to begin with your own energetics, which is where we always begin. So you're going to receive the personal benefits, and there's another layer to this that will really support you professionally if you're in a position where you hold space as part of your service, as part of your career, as part of your purpose, your calling.